don't know how good you guys can see it, but that one in the middle down there, he's a pretty nice box. Fortunately, I got you guys zoomed in all the way, but you can kind of see him. So the phone a little more still. Well, I'm off the fishing hole, but that's a pretty cool sign right there. That's not too far from the house. Another quick look at him, I had to turn around. I'm glad I did. They say good morning and happy Friday, guys. Sorry, them deer got me distracted. Yeah, I like seeing some sheep now. Oh, down here at the pond now, gonna do some fishing. Hopefully I can catch some, I might not, but hey, I already started out with some nice deer. Hopefully you guys can see them. Might have to zoom in a little bit. And then you guys gotta see some sheep. Well, then you gotta see cows that say good morning. And then you gotta see some sheep. Now you're gonna see the pond a little bit. Hopefully this video don't stop while I'm getting ready, but if it does, I'm gonna post anyway. So God bless. And if this is longer, just keep watching. There'll be something interesting on here, I'm sure. Well, heads up, guys. I'm getting ready to flip you sideways. I don't know how it's going to act on the phone or computer you're watching on. So I figured I'd just give you a heads up. Got a little more prepared today. Bringing my wagon. Not that it's that far away from the truck, but I don't feel like running back and forth. These wagons definitely come in handy. There's two of them today. Almost like the Loch Ness Monster. Yeah, I have no idea what kind of fish it is. I'm trying to get a good look at it. I can't really fish through this stuff because if I do catch it, then good chance it's gonna snap my line if I get it to the bank. So I gotta walk down here a little ways. Well, I got my big pole out. Them fish are still down there. There's one right there too, so I'm not sure what kind of fish these are. You can see one of them sticking out of the water right now. After studying them for a little bit, I think they're a kind of carp. They're big, whatever they are. They come over there. One actually right there. Alright. I'm gonna give it a shot, guys. Got me a good old lizard on about. Forgot what I had on. If it's carp, I don't think they're gonna go after it, but I'm not positive what kind of fish these are. It's pretty cool. Remember, just dorsal fins, or whatever you want to call them. That's his tail and the one on his back. So, pretty good sized fish. Again, I'm not positive what it is. My first guess was catfish, and I seen more of them. I started studying. I'm guessing carp, but I'm not positive. Please leave a comment if you have any guesses. I just call part of that monster, the moth monster. You guys don't watch enough Scooby-Doo if you don't get that one. Yeah, move down here a little bit. Like I said, if they're carp, they're not going to go for what I'm using for bait. Got some salmon that was left in the refrigerator a little too long. Yeah, it smells real great right now. Got some good old nightcrawler on there. They might go after it. I'm not sure what kind of fish they are right now. They'll definitely smell it. That's for sure. Got some nice stinky salmon on that pole with a little bit of nightcrawler. And got just a nightcrawler on there, no weight. I caught a lot of fish on just nightcrawler, so I might get it, I might not. Either way, I'm going to post this video because it's pretty cool. It's pretty good Friday so far. Stay tuned to find out what happens. Hope you guys are finding this as cool as I am. Really a mystery what kind of fish these are though. I haven't got a single bite yet. Oh, the stack dog spotted me if you can't tell. Got me excited to bump my line. Well, I bumped my line again, so it might be interesting playing with it a little bit. Or might just be running into it, I'm not sure. Might move locations in a little bit. A little dog keeps cheering me on. You hear it? Let's go, Bubba. Let's go, Bubba. He just keeps repeating that. Thought eventually you get tired of it, but I guess not. I just hear, let's go, Bubba. Let's go, Bubba. I don't know what you guys hear. Looks kind of clammy. Her group goes, I'm a dead clam, but I'm a ghost. Boo. But they ain't no hurry to catch fish today, right? Kind of cool birds. The bird's trying to get a fish too. Can you see the bird? He's right in the middle of the screen right now. Say one thing in this pond, out of the times I've fished it, these fish seem to have time zones. Early in the morning and right before dark. I'm trying for you guys. Ain't having no luck yet. But I just might before this tape's over. Hopefully I do. It started out real good. I don't want to end it boring now. A hook so tiny, I still get robbed. Some bull crap.